Come on, I got something to tell you. There's a paragraph in your lease, and everybody hates it. Well, if they know it exists. It's paragraph 18A. It reads, ordinarily, a repair to the heating and air conditioning system is not an emergency. Ouch, it's 105 outside. So let's talk about inhabitability of your rental unit. So me, property manager, you tenant, we might not agree on this. But really, it doesn't matter what I think. Because the landlord, he's not required to reduce the rent or pay for a hotel if you think your house is inhabitable, because that's so hot or other reason. So, whose opinion matters? Your renter's insurance company. What? Renter's insurance? Why do they matter? Because here's a really important phrase I'm going to teach you. Listen closely. Loss of use. Yeah, good renter's insurance policies, they're going to include a loss of use clause. Most people don't even know it's there, but I'm going to tell you about it. But if that insurance company agrees with you that that house is inhabitable, ugh, can't live there, it's too hot, frying your brain, they'll put you in a hotel. Oh, so I'm going to give you two cases where our tenants have used loss of use clauses. Ready? 1, leak into the foundation. Water's coming up to the kitchen through the floor. House turns into a construction zone. Horrible. Yeah, guess what? Land is not required to reduce rent. In this case, they did. But not a requirement. But their insurance put them up in a hotel the whole time. Inconvenient? Yes. Better than living in a construction zone? Double yes. All right, second case study. We had an AC unit. We had put some Freon in it 2 days prior. It had all leaked out. The day we figured this out, Friday after 5. You know what happens Friday after 5? You can't buy a new AC. Not until Monday at 9 a.m. Uh-oh. And guess what? Newborn baby was coming home from the hospital that day. It's summer in Texas. I called them. I said, hey guys, here's your loss of use clause. I called your insurance. 5 days in a hotel. Inconvenient? Yes. Air conditioning? Yes. So, loss of use. Memorize it. Remember it. And for whatever reason you think the house is inhabitable, I can learn the word. Call your insurance company. See if they agree. If you lost the number on file, can't find it, let us know. We keep your insurance stuff on file too. This is Courtney Rosen, MHN Property Management, signing off.